Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to download Windows 10 2022 and with the latest version 22H2. So just go to the browser, any browser, and type here Windows Windows 10. Just enter. So once you enter, you will get the first link from the official website of the Microsoft. Just click here and it will open directly to the main official website of the Microsoft Windows 10. So you can see just we type Windows 10 only, but after that it is directly open the link. So you can see here Windows 10 2022 update version 22H2. This is the last version of the Windows 10. So if you click here update now, it will try to update your PC, but as of now we will download here. We will make fresh Windows tool. We will create a bootable USB along with the we will download ISO file as well. So I will show you some different way also here. So just click here download now. Once you click here download now, it will create the tool for the 22H2. So just right click on that one, the media creation tool, just run as an administrator. Once you click, it will ask to enter. Click yes, then it will open directly the tool. So you can see here Windows 10 setup. So wait for a few seconds, it will give you some options. I will show you here. You have to accept the terms and conditions, so just click accept, and once you click accept, it will show you some other options here. You can see here, if your PC using the Windows 10 but the old version 21H2, you can just click here upgrade this PC now, and it will start the process for to upgrade your PC from the 21H2 to 22H2. Also if you have older version you can, but it is better to perform the clean installation for the to get the all the preferences and settings for the Windows 10. If you are using Windows 7, it is you can update, but it is very good to create a bootable USB and upgrade your PC, so it will be better. So now you can see here it is asking to create installation media. Just click next, and you can select language as well here, and also you can see here only one version edition Windows 10, and you can see here as per your PC compatibility you can use 32-bit and also 64-bit. If you want to download both, you can download and you can create the bootable USB for both. As of now I will select 64-bit. I will select the language same as it is, and before doing this one you have to connect any bootable USB. So you have to use the USB at least 8 GB or 16 GB, it is better recommended. So just close this page. You can see here I just connected the bootable USB for the different version. No issue, just close this one. So just click next. You can see here USB flash drive. I already connected the flash drive. If you click here and if you proceed next, it will create the bootable USB. If you want to download the fresh ISO file, you can click here, then you can burn the ISO file after to the DVD or else any other USB flash drive. So I will show you here. Just click next, it will select the options. Here you have to browse the location to download and just click save. It will start the downloading. So after the downloading, it will available the bootable USB. Sorry, it will create the ISO file here because we chose the location. So it will take a little bit time to download this file. Now another option is we can directly create a bootable USB with this tool itself. So we'll try to run second file, but it is not opening. Just wait until the progress is finished, then we will create the bootable USB from this tool itself. So I will show you different options how you can create the bootable USB as well. We will use the Rufus as well to create the bootable USB. So the Rufus will give you some other options to skip the TPM and also some other secure boot and some different options available to skip the BIOS settings. So just wait. You can see here creating Windows 10 media. Yes, now we can see here burn the ISO file to DVD and open DVD burner. So if you connect the the CD drive, you can do this one, but as of now click finish. So you can see here the Windows ISO file, it is created here and downloaded. Now you can burn to the flash drive. As of now, with this ISO file you can burn to the bootable USB with the Rufus, but we will create from here. Just run again. So if we click here again, I will show you some other things here. So yani we have different options to create a bootable USB. So I will show you the things here and just click accept and wait. So now you can see again we will not upgrade now, but just click create new. I will choose recommended. Next. Now you can see I already connected the bootable USB, so I will click next. See, you can see here it is detected here, so just click here next. The USB I connected to this laptop. So once I click next, it will format the USB cleanly and it will create the bootable USB. So make sure whatever you are using the USB, it should be 8 GB or 16 GB. So better to create the bootable USB. So while creating bootable USB, you can remove all the files from the USB. If you are using the USB with your data, so it will clean the USB, so it will format the USB, so you will lose the data. So better you can take all the data to any other drives and then you can create the bootable USB. So it is processing, so just wait. Now you can see here it is asking to format disk. So once we click, it will format the USB. So just go back, it is already formatted. Do you want to format it? Yes, just click OK. As I told you, it will ask us to clean the drive, so that's why you have to clean the hard drive first. Now it is format complete. Click OK, close, let it be finished. It will use hold the USB. Wait for a few minutes, it will finish. Yes, now we can see here it is, the flash drive is ready now. So just click finish. Now you can see here this PC. You can see now the bootable USB is created here. So and we will try another method now. Go to the downloads. I have here as well as Rufus. So already the bootable is ready here, but if you want some different options, you can use Rufus to create the bootable USB. So I will show you the method here as well. For this one, run as administrator for the Rufus and click yes. No, just click no, and you can see here Rufus. Here I already select the 16 GB, same USB I will use to create here, and also I will check this one and select the image file that we just now downloaded. We created the ISO file as well just before, so choose that one, open. Once you click here, make sure the your laptop having MBR disk or GPT disk whenever you want to install the Windows. For example, if you don't want to format completely D drive and C drive, you make sure whether the your laptop or computer it is compatible with the MBR or GPT, the disks. You have to check this one. For example, go to the computer management, and here I will show you as well here. So just go to disk management. From here you can choose the disk properties. You can see here, once you go to the disk and you selected the properties, and from the properties you can see volumes. Here it is mentioned GPT, so it means the disks are in GPT mode. So better you have to check before performing this one. So you must make sure that your the previous Windows, the it is the disk created as a GPT or MBR. So make sure that one, then create the bootable USB as per that one. If you want to create a clean installation when you are installing the Windows, for example, if you want to delete all the drives, you can select GPT. Or else if you want to install the same laptop before you are installing, you have to make sure these things. And also you can select the your PC mode, what UEFI or legacy, you have to make sure that one also before performing this one also. Now I will use the default here. So okay, just click start. Once you click start, so now I will select okay. Here you can see some different options. For the Windows 10 it is few options available, but if you are installing if you are creating bootable USB for the Windows 11, it will ask you to skip TPM and other settings as well here. So you can select if you want to create the user here. So it will while installing Windows, it will directly open the user with this name whatever you mention here. So as per this, you can create the bootable USB. Just click OK, for example, and click OK. It will format the USB and it will create the bootable USB in partition scheme GPT, and also it is UEFI mode. So you have to make sure your device also under the UEFI mode or legacy mode while creating the bootable USB. With this Rufus, you can select some these different options to create the bootable USB. So I hope you like my video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates as well. So just wait until this one finish. So once it is finished, it will just ask you to start and cancel. So just click cancel and you can use the USB for any installations. Thank you for watching.